because I can't fit it. What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. As you see by the title, we are doing an Amazon haul. I know we have never featured Amazon on our channel, but today we are. I purchased all of these things with my own money. Just like a little disclaimer, none of this stuff was sent to me, so I cannot wait to show you guys what I picked up from Amazon. Let me know down in the comments if you want more Amazon hauls and other clothing brands that you want me to try and test out, because I did do a Shein haul on my channel, so go check that out. And I spent all my own money on that as well, so I'm trying to switch it up a little bit and not just create AliExpress content. If you don't know who I am, my name is McKinley Brooke. I make fashion vlogs here, beauty, that type of content. So if you're interested in that type of content, definitely just head on over to my channel, click that subscribe, like button, and turn on the bell notifications. This stuff I have Prime, so it didn't take more than a week, so it was very quick. I'll have, of course, all the links down in the description box and the names and the sizes on the screen, but let's just get right into the video, y'all. All right, y'all, so the first thing that I'm about to be showing you is a one piece, and this is what it looks like. This is how the one piece looks. You can't really tell the true color on camera because the lighting is kind of messed up, but I did just buy a newer TikTok lights, so hopefully my lighting will get better soon, very much. But I got it from Amazon, but that's not included in this haul. But yes, I will zoom it in so you guys can see the true color. So this is the true color of the jumpsuit. This is what it looks like. It's a very neon orange, but it looks super good. I will say it is see-through. It is not the best quality by any means. I got this in a size small, and it is definitely kind of big, so if you're bigger or smaller than me, this is not going to fit you. It's going to fit you really loose, because this didn't fit me like skin tight. I will say, even though the shorts look super short, they're not that short, one, which is really nice. And they have like an elastic band at the top, so the shirt won't be like, or the jumpsuit won't be just like falling down on you. But definitely wear pasties if you don't want stuff to show, or like a whole like undergarment type thing, just so you feel a little bit more snatched and like everything isn't jiggling and just going every which way, because this is like really thin and not supportive fabric. All right, moving on, I did get other things than just clothes. I got this setting spray. I got this dewy setting spray. I really don't really care about what setting spray I use, and I was just running out, so I was like, I need to just hurry up and order one on Amazon, because it's literally going to come in 2 days. So I definitely did that. But it is just this You Can Be dewy finish setting spray. I think it was like $5. Still have a whole bunch left. It's really good. Nothing to complain about, nothing to like brag about either. All right, y'all, moving on, I did get some workout gear, and this was the first item. I got the set. These are the leggings to the matching set, but it is just in this cheetah print, black and white leggings, and I think they are capris. I don't remember, but you will see it in the try on haul. But they're not see-through. The quality isn't the best, but it is really stretchy. I think I'm just used to seamless, and I love seamless, but these are still like great activewear leggings. They are not high-waisted, but they do give a good amount of like compression for the tummy control, which is really nice. And I just like the fun print of these. This is the top for it. It is just this sports bra. I got this set in a size small, and this is just what the sports bra looks like. It does have built-in padding, but you can remove it on the sides, which is really nice. I love a adjustable piece, girl. On the back it has a crisscross detailing, which is really nice, but the bra holds me in really good. I don't feel like I'm going to be moving and shaking in the gym in this, which is really nice. And I just want to get more athletic wear and just sporty pieces, because I work out a ton and I live in athletic wear unless I'm like making a video or taking a picture or something. But I think this is just so cute, and it was very affordable, so I might be looking back on Amazon for some more cute little workout pieces. All right, moving on, like I said, I'm into like a lot of makeup and stuff, but I did need some more beauty blenders. I don't really clean my beauty blenders half as much as I need to, so I usually just buy new ones instead of like trying to clean them or whatever. I probably should clean them, but might as well just buy new ones. So I just bought some new ones. This is just a 3-pack. They're probably super cheap or whatever, but this is just what they look like. They're very like spongy. It's just some beauty blenders, girl. It comes in pink, black, and purple, And I can't wait to get a fresh beauty blender on this face, babes. Throw those old ones away. All right, so the next piece is another one piece, and this is what it looks like. Of course, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see the authentic color. Super cute, a bubblegum pink color. This is what it looks like. The material and everything is very stretchy and also very soft. It's like a fleece type of, not like hot fleece, but like a really soft fleece lining that it has going on the inside. So I do like that. I don't think it was see-through, but it wasn't super tight on the body. And I got this in a size small as well. So like I'm saying, if you're petite and smaller than me, these aren't gonna fit you, because these fit me kind of loose, and I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl. So if it's fitting me loose, babes, like imagine what it's going to do to you. Or if you're bigger than me, size down, because this does run pretty big. But it is just this crisscross detailing in the back. It looks super cute. I think I tried it on a little bit wrong. I think I tried it on with just like a one shoulder thing, which is also wearable, but that's not how it was seen on the stock photos or whatever. Again, I would suggest you wear some undergarments or something under it, just so you can feel a little bit tighter. At least that's what I would do, because when the clothes don't compress me, I need something to compress me. So I would just put on a little shapewear or something, so I can feel like I'm not just about to be bouncing everywhere. Okay, all right, moving on. I did get a pair of sunglasses, and this is what they look like. They are stunning. These are like an older style. Like I definitely seen these a year or two ago, but I just never picked them up. But this is what they look like. They are so cute. They're super dirty too right now. I can barely see out of them, but they just give the vibes of Bushi. I think these are like Dior dupes. Pretty sure they are, but they just look so freaking cute. And I saw them on Amazon. I was just like, I need to have them. What is this? But they are very sturdy, good quality. Love them. All right, moving on. This was a complete fail, babes. Like, what was I thinking? But it is just this swimsuit. It is this lime green swimsuit. It looks a hot mess. Well, it isn't. The shape and everything is cute, but what was I thinking that I would be able to fit this? Like, whose boobs again? Like this can't even cover one of my boobs, like even if it was stretched like this. But yeah, this is a definite no. The padding is adjustable. If you do like this, or if you have a small chest, this would be super cute for you, because I'm sure like lift them up and make them look all cute and everything. But I don't really know how this is supposed to be tied either. I'll definitely insert the stock photo so you can understand, but I did not try this on because I can't fit it. But yeah, and then here are the bottoms, babes. Imagine wearing this to a family function. Imagine wearing this to a family swimming day. Babe, no, your whole beep is out. Your whole beep is out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm definitely about to sell this because I can't do anything with it. Not a darn thing. But the concept was cute. It's just not gonna fit a girl like me. Moving on, I got some Lash shampoo. I've already been using it. I've had this stuff for a little minute, but I've already been using the Lash shampoo. And as you guys know, I wear lash extensions. If you don't watch my vlogs, I get like lash extensions, like a fill like every week. So you'll probably see them in my vlog with me going, but you definitely, if you do have lash extensions, you need to be washing your lashes daily. Like it's mandatory. Like you don't want buildup, you don't want bacteria, none of that, especially if you wear makeup. So if you do have lash extensions or wear lash extensions, buy you some lash shampoo so you can be cleaning them. But this is just what they look like. This is just what all comes in this little pack, whatever. It comes with the lash bottle. This is what the lash bottle looks like and says. A lash brush, so you can just be brushing them and stuff. Moving on, I have another activewear set, and this is what it looks like. It is just this super cute blue striped sports bra. I got this in a size medium. I definitely should have sized down and got a small because it's pretty big, but I will say it fits more like a shirt and holds you in. The pads are removable, so that's really nice. But here is the authentic color. This is just what it looks like. Super good. Like this is a seamless material, which I love. Like it just cups and like shapes your body so good. So I love that type of material. And then here are the pants. Oh, that's why I got a medium, because I didn't want the shorts to be up in my booty when I'm trying to do a squat. Okay, didn't want that. We want the shorts to fit longer and stuff, go up a size, but you really don't need to. I don't think I needed to, but I'm still glad I can still fit this. I can still wear it to the gym. Everything will still be fine and dandy. All right, y'all, next I have some nipple covers. Y'all know, if you watch my hauls, I've been using these all the time. So I'm glad I just showed you guys so now I can start wearing them. But they're just some nipple covers, honey. Nothing really much to say about them. They were really cheap and affordable. You get 2 packs and like the silicone kind. They have little hearts on them. This is just what they look like. Because there we go. This is just what they look like. They're like flesh toned. But yeah, they're just some silicone nipple covers because I really needed them. All right, next y'all, I have another fail, unfortunately, but it is just this top. It is super cute. I got it in the size medium though, and it does not fit me well. So it's very, very loose. I mean, if I tie this up in the back, it will fit me because it's like sags up here because it's just too much fabric for me. But yeah, you could just tie it up in the back. It is very cute. It's a very trendy style and trendy like pattern that it has on it. But yeah, definitely size down on this or get your regular size. But and then the last thing that I have to show you guys is actually something that was buildable. Call me builder by babes because I built this shoe rack that's like right there. I'll give you guys like a little slow-mo of me showing you guys the shoe rack or whatever. If you haven't checked out my vlog, weekly vlog, it's in there of me building this. So if you want to see how I built it and everything, go check out my vlog because I built that. All right, lovelies, that was the last item in this haul. I really do hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to let me know what other brands y'all want me to try out and do try out hauls for you guys on. But yeah, and let me know if you want another Amazon haul as well. I'll see you lovelies in the next video. Bye.